Hey, my name is Moni, and today's video we're gonna be doing a quick get ready with me. We're gonna feature some products. I'm gonna be doing a makeup look, so stay tuned. I'm just gonna put like a little bit of primer on. I'm gonna start off with using my Fenty Beauty. I'm just gonna rub this in my fingers and just put a little bit all over my face. One lady, and she lives in Louisiana, and her name is Lulu. One of the boys from her school, I guess they had like a $5 bet, and then they wind up like snatching her wig off. They recorded it. It went all on the social media. So she decided to shave it for her hair. So she shaved her hair bald, and then she went back into school the next day to show them like, look, I'm not, you know, letting this situation stop me. Embarrassing experience like that could just damage somebody for life. I just wish high schools, when it comes to bullying, really reprimand these kids when they do get out of line, when they are bullied. So I just commemorate her, and I just think it's great, and I decided to stand with her and to take off my wig. But anyway, I just want to just share certain stories that, you know, really touched me and really touched my heart. I had used the Fenty Beauty Matte Stick and Suede. I'm just trying it out and seeing if I like it. But yeah, guys, shout out to Lulu, like, for being so courageous. And also Tyra Banks was able to see her story. And I just hope she's able to get a if this is what she wants, you know, I just hope she's able to get a modeling deal out of it, because she looks so beautiful. This is Milani, the Luminous Blush. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. Okay, so I'm gonna take So Bougie, and I'm taking the Spectrum B06 brush. This is like a very fluffy transition brush. I'm just taking this and just put it all over the eye. No eye primer. Like, this is like a very simple look. Now I'm gonna take the City Colors Cosmetics brush in CCE01, and I'm gonna take Cocoa Truffle, which is right here, this nice rich chocolatey color, and I'm just gonna put that in the crease. I have been growing my hair natural for about 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. So the first time like I grew my hair natural was it was when I was in college. About my sophomore year in college, I decided to go natural. I went natural for 2 years, so I didn't really know how to take care of my hair. So I basically like would damage my hair. Nobody knew about how to take care of their natural hair. Nobody was using gels, creams, oils, the lock method. When it came time for me to wash my hair, oh baby, that is when the damage happened. Go back in with this transition brush that has So Bougie on it. And what do I want to go? I think I'm gonna go into Money Bags. Money Bags is looking real sexy. Money Bags is gonna go right below the crease on the lid, and that is looking nice. Alright, this is Juvia's J125 blender brush, and I'm just gonna clean up that line that's like in the crease where this color meets, and just clean it up a little bit. I'm going to the color Holla for $1. I decided to dye my hair because it was just too painful. I went natural again about 2 years ago. I'm gonna take Famous right here and put that in the inner corner, just a little bit in the inner corner. We don't want too much, we don't need too much. If you want, you could take a little bit of that and put it under the eyebrow. Yeah, I used to do this like back in the day a lot. I used to always put like a little highlight under the eyebrow. It even got on my eyebrow, but that's okay. Just brings out the look. but make sure you have your eyebrows done and plucked, unlike me, because I broke my little tweezer. So you guys are doing like a semi unboxing with me, and I'm like super excited. Alright, so they gave me this free, this came free with the purchase. You know what would be a great invention? If mascaras came with mirrors. Because it's like every time I put on some mascara, I gotta grab a mirror. Because who's that brave to put on mascara without a mirror? Not me. This is nice for like a nice little natural look. Oh my god. This smells musky. It smells like dirty armpits. Ew. Oh my god, it's so funky. Ooh. This is why you smell. This is why it's good to smell products. I like it. Hold on, let me fix it. Let me fix it. And like we are practically done. I got this e.l.f. brush set that comes with, it's a 3-piece brush set. It comes with a contouring brush, highlighting brush, and contour brush. So let's find out. This right here was only $6. So we have a nice little contour brush, and it's so thick, you guys, and luxurious. It feels great. And the bristles. What's up, Pooks? Why you whining? You whine too much. She has Pooks. Her name is Josie. She was named after my grandma. This is my grandma's necklace. And her name, I named her Josie. And right now she has like her little friend, so she's not feeling good right now. Yeah. How you just gonna like kick me in my chest like that, son? Last but not least, if y'all was hoping that was, I am. So this is Alissa Ashley. This is her new lip gloss. Let's see what the color is. Okay, so it's called Nude Rose. It looks more prettier in person than on the website. Like, this thing is chunky and big. This thing is so big. All right, let's test out the color. Let's see if I like the color. All right, let me just add some more. When I seen it, I was like, oh, I love this color. This is gorgeous. Wait, is this a lip gloss? Let's see. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be a lip gloss. Oh my gosh. I did not prep my lips properly. This is so, this applicator doe foot is like so precise, so small that it could get into like your nook and crannies. This is like a really I'm like dead looking in my box because I bought extras. So I wanted to see, like, I saw something else. I was like, oh, thank God I bought 3. But I have faith in this product, and I knew this product was gonna be bomb before I even tried it. And I bought 2 more, and I'm so happy I did. And I think right now it's sold out. It's on e.l.f. website. I think the only place you can get it is e.l.f. website. The battery is dying, and I have one more product to show you guys, and this is the e.l.f. Prismatic Lip Gloss. And I'm just gonna put this over the Alissa Ashley eye shouldn't, so we can kind of see exactly what it looks like. But I will feature this in another video. And I'm just gonna do a swatch on my hand. I'm doing like a little generous swatch on my hand so you can see what it looks like. Yeah, so I hope you guys can see what that looks like. And then now it's really pretty. I'm gonna put this over to see how it looks. Oh, e.l.f., what are you doing? Oh my god, I'm ready to go out. I'm about to end this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video, and I will see you guys, and thank you for watching. And it catches, whew, got it on me. No. It smells funky, funky, funky. Like my head is hurting right now. Like, oh my god. Whew. Whew. It was hurting.